Well, hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and we have two freebies with the IBOTTA app, and I'm going to jog you through both of them. It is with this company called Tea Relief. So at Walgreens, it's a decongestant. It's called the Reboot Decongestant Spray Echinacea 6 Plus. So that specific one, you basically buy the product and then submit it to IBOTTA, and you will get back whatever you paid for in full. And then there's also at CVS. Oh my gosh, what am I doing over there? Because I'm always like, I don't have a CVS. I can't do any CVS stuff. Don't ever talk about CVS to me. I have a CVS deal with Ibotta. Over at CVS, it is a plant-based relief. It's called Arnica Plus 12, and it's extra strength to alleviate pain, and it's in the 3-ounce size. The other one is more for congestion and sore throat over at Walgreens. These are specific at these stores that you can only buy these products, and because it is a free offer, this will go very quickly. So if you were going to head out to the pharmacy, absolutely put this on your list. And you know what I would do if you're like up to nothing today, maybe moonwalk by one of the stores and see if you can find it. Probably in that cold or pain relief aisle. Look for it. And remember, 2 different rebates, 2 different stores, and it is with the Ibotta app. Okay, so if you look here, this little homepage of the Ibotta app, if you look the bottom left, it says home. That's where we're at. If you see where it says free made easy, that's where you're going to press to find all of the BOGOs or freebies. If you're really not into doing like all the work, but you just want a couple freebies, that's where you're going to find it on the app under special deals. And if you look at the very top 2, there's this weird wiggly line. That's what you're going to press to open your camera so you can scan UPCs to ensure you're grabbing the right stuff, because there might be 3 products that look identical, but you want to pick up the right one that's corresponding with Ibotta, and the app will let you know, and I'll show you what that looks like just a little in a second. So this is what, free made easy. You just press on this and it's like all of the freebies at all the different stores, they're in a list. So if you're not about hunting for specific things and you're like, I just want easy freebies, you press this and those 2 medications will show up, and other freebies, most at Walmart, but these are 2 at the pharmacies. At the very top of the app, see that it's like 2 little brackets with a UPC in the center? That's what you press to scan to ensure you're buying the correct product. Or you can click onto the rebate and then, scan offer or scan product to make sure it's the right one. You can do it either way. So always do that to make sure you're grabbing the right stuff, because some of this stuff looks identical, especially if there's like 5 or 6 boxes. It could be a difference between an ounce, and then you won't get the rebate back. So over at Walgreens, this is what it's called. The company is called Tea Relief, and it's called Reboot Natural Congestion or Sore Throat Pain Relief. So they're giving back a rebate of $15. So I believe this product is in that $15 like neighborhood. I also looked it up online, and for whatever reason it's not online, so maybe this is just in store only or it's just in big stores, but I could not find a price point for this. But in other like websites that sell tea relief, it's in that neighborhood of $15. Now we also have this digital coupon on your Walgreens app, so you would pay 10 and get back 15. So it's a nice little tidy $15 moneymaker if you can find this exact one. But load this digital coupon and look at that expiry date from March till the end of the year. So they want you to try it. And just keep an eye out for this guy. Now, over at CVS, this is a completely different product by the same company. It's the Tea Relief Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream in the 3-ounce size, and it's up to $15 back. So I think this is some sort of plant-based, fancier sort of pain relief. We've seen these before with different companies, but I know a lot of you will be bebopping in and out of the stores looking for deals, and especially if you're out there today on Saturday, because these are free offers, I just know how this goes because I've been around forever. This will go pretty quickly and it'll be hard to find in store, but hopefully Ibotta will keep this in their gallery for a very long time. Okay, so if you're really new to this and you're like, I wish I would love some free stuff with Ibotta, check out the link in the notes. When you sign up with my referral code, it's in the link. You're going to get a $20 bonus when you submit your first qualifying receipt. So it really sweetens up the pot. And if you've always been curious about Ibotta, but you're just like, I don't really want another thing on my phone, this is one app that all couponers use. And especially if you're into rebate shopping at Walmart, I will get back to it one day really soon. It's just been a crazy summer. Um, there's a lot of freebies. Even if you take a lot of the Walgreens deals in the last 2 weeks, everything's like Ibotta, 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 Ibotta. So this is the most powerful tool because it is the biggest of all the rebate apps. Check out the link if you haven't signed up, and if you want to, submit your first qualifying receipt. I think you have a cap of a week. You'll get a $20 bonus, which is like super cool. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.